How to move snaps into My Eyes Only. If you want the extra privacy maintenance on your Snapchat, you can easily move your snaps into My Eyes Only. For that, simply open the Snapchat and you lead to the camera section here. You just have to take a snap or you can upload from your gallery as well. Let's tap on the photos or the two cards icon which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're on this home section, you can scroll down and select the snap that you want to move into My Eyes Only. You can tap and hold the photo here or the videos, and now tap on the More button. You can also add multiple photos or videos in order to move to your My Eyes Only. Now tap on three dots or more and now tap on Hide a Snap. Now tap on Move button. So it has already been moved to your My Eyes Only. So if you haven't set any password or if you haven't shared My Eyes Only, then you have to set it before adding or moving your snaps into My Eyes Only. If you go and check it to My Eyes Only, so you have to tap on My Eyes Only and enter the passcode here. Once it's done here, as you can see that we have already moved our snaps into My Eyes Only. If you have forgotten the password, you can again go to My Eyes Only and here you can see the options at the bottom right corner and select Change Password option. So if you don't know the current password, you can get back and go to the Forget Passcode option and reset from there. And following the on-screen prompts, you can easily recover your passcodes. So that's how we move snaps into My Eyes Only. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.